what I want to talk about is location of Lightroom, where it sits on your computer. And the default is in your pictures folder, or in your, if you're Windows, it's the My Pictures folder, I believe. And it creates a folder called Lightroom. And I have my folder structure opened up here. So what I have here is this demo catalog. It always sets this up. Let me close that for a moment. This is what you would normally see when you open a catalog. Your previews, your smart previews, the LRCat, and this was the old catalog before it converted to the current version. And there's a backups folder. But I don't put backups here, that's why there's nothing in it. So I'm going to open up this demo one, and what you guys might want to do right now, this could save a lot of you a lot of space on your hard drive. If you go to your Lightroom catalog and the folder that says backups, some of you may have a huge list right here in the middle, because Lightroom is good about asking you if you want to back up, but they're not good about asking you if you want to clear old backups. So I've seen students with just real long lists, and I know each of my backups is about almost a gigabyte. So that can save you time. So the way it works here is that Lightroom does it by year, by month, and by date, and then by time. So 10:56 a.m. or here 17:51, so that would be p.m. You really only need like probably 2 or 3 most recent backups. So I'm gonna. Is everybody there now? At your backups folder?
Yeah.
Anybody else besides Paul?
How did you get there?
Go to pictures.
We should eliminate all the ones that except the last 3 or 4.
Yeah, because really you never would want to go back to an old backup if you got more current ones, unless perhaps it got corrupt or something. But there's no reason to go way back, so you don't need to have them.